بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعاديات ضبحا فالموريات قدحا فالمغيرات صبحا فأثرن به نقعا فوسطن به جمعا إن الإنسان لربه لكنود وإنه على ذلك لشهيد وإنه لحب الخير لشديد أفلا يعلم إذا بعثر ما في القبور وحصل ما في الصدور إن ربهم بهم يومئذ لخبير.
Just see the plundering bandits who come on galloping and snorting horses, charging on to the people who are enjoying peaceful sleep. They make the steeds run at such speeds that their hooves let off sparks. No one knows from how far they have come. But at the crack of dawn, when people are still in deep sleep, they make their assault for the sake of looting and killing. Man's tendency to loot and plunder shows that when he insanely pursues the acquisition of wealth, he forgets the codes and rules of law. Instead of developing means of sustenance using his innovative creativity, he wants to usurp the hard-earned money of others and hoard it for himself. He thus shows his ungratefulness to the divine order of Rabubiyat. Furthermore, he never acknowledges this mentality. Instead, he presents looting and plundering as great feats. And his own life shows that he does all this for his limitless greed and love of wealth. Is he not aware that our law of Mukafat exposes everything that is hidden, including the innermost thoughts and secrets passing quietly through one's mind? A man may assert that he is not doing all this for his love of wealth and that his intentions are different. However, our law of Mukafa shall expose his real intentions. Although all these secrets will be unveiled on the day the deeds are manifested, Allah the Almighty knows them even today. He knows what the human heart actually holds back and what it reveals. No capitalist will ever accept that he collects money due to greed. This, however, is self-deception. A time will come when they would not be able to hide these desires, and the world shall become aware of them.